ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ನಟನ ನಿತ್ಯ 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 ತಾಂಡವ ಕೇಳಿ ವಿಲಾಸ ನಿತ್ಯ ತಾಂಡವ ಕೇಳಿ ವಿಲಾಸ ನಿತ್ಯ ತಾಂಡವ ಕೇಳಿ ವಿಲಾಸ ನಿತ್ಯ ತಾಂಡವ ಕೇಳಿ ವಿಲಾಸ ನಿತ್ಯ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ನಟನ ನಿತ್ಯ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ನಟನ ನಿತ್ಯ ಲೀಲಾ ಮಾನುಷ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ಲೀಲಾ ಮಾನುಷ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ಲೀಲಾ ಮಾನುಷ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ಲೀಲಾ ಮಾನುಷ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ಲಿಂಗೋ
7 o'clock. Shall we start? If you are able to see me, hear me, please wave your hands. Manhattan, I think Manhattan is not able to see. Los Angeles also is not able to hear me. Slovakia? Yes, great. El Paso, Texas. Charlotte? Yes. Toronto? Yes. Ohio? Great. Seattle? Great. Phoenix? Great. Springs, Texas? Great. All right. Now, first let us start today spending few minutes in the completion process. Listen. Completion is a technique, process. Only after you practice few times you will have a handle over it. You will be able to catch it. You will be able to get the knack of it. But the moment you get the knack, so much will be cleansed, cleaned, purified. It will be just unimaginable. It will be just unimaginable. So, let's start. Let us start. Please pick up the mirror. And sit straight. Please pick up your mirror. Sit straight. Center yourself on your eyes. Center yourself on your eyes. Start reliving. Forget your present identity. Go back to the same past when the root incidents started in your life, when the patterns started developing in your life. Relive, relive, relive. Do completion sincerely, intensely. Relive with tremendous sincerity. My blessings. Let everyone achieve completion. Please settle down.
dim dim dimi dimi natana nitya 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 taandava keli vilasa nitya taandava keli vilasa nitya taandava keli vilasa nitya.
Any questions you have about all the truths I have introduced in your life, like completion, incompletion, the inner image, outer image, life image, others image, anything, any question you have on these truths, how to apply them or anything, you can send your questions now. I'll answer your questions.
लिंगोद्भवहर नित्य शिवा नित्य शिवा हर बाल 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 शिवा दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नटन नित्या दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नटन नित्या तांडव केलि विलास नित्या तांडव केलि विलास नित्या लिंग शिवा आत्मलिंग शिवा लिंग शिवा आत्मलिंग शिवा लिंग शिवा.
Please go ahead. Whoever is in Biddi, you can come to the mic directly and ask your questions. I'll answer.
I wanted to know if the incompletions are only of this life, or can it be from other lives?
Actually, incompletions do come even from the past life. They do come even from past life. But through this completion process, you can even melt them and complete with them. It is possible.
So it's not necessary to remember that.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes you may not remember the incident, only the incompletion. Even by reliving that, you can complete it.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Yanatma, even yesterday's questions you can read out, I'll answer.
We have a question from Isabel from Manhattan. How do we release the incompletions from our lives, causing all current blockages to dissipate?
First thing, releasing incompletions happen through so many ways. One, practicing completion every night before going to bed. Please understand. Before going to bed and immediately after waking up from the bed, whatever you do becomes part of your deeper consciousness, your biomemory. Before going to bed, before falling asleep, your biomemory and muscle memory is available for you to consciously program them. So if you practice completion at that time, whole night you will be releasing many of the incompletions, you will be completing many of the incompletions even in the dream. All the current blockages will dissipate. All the current blockages will dissipate. So please understand, practicing completion before going to bed is the most important thing.
The next question is from San Jose Gilberto. Dear Swamiji, what if when you're focusing on your particular incompletion, it brings up other incidents that happened at that particular time?
Yes. Even when other incidents come up, complete with them also. First finish completing with this incident, then one by one pick up the other incidents also and complete them.
The next question is from Artemis Eskos from Manhattan Center. Thank you for changing my life. Your volume on Bliss Byte changed my life in such a bright way. Today I'm asking for guidance in my music career. I need help starting off. I don't know why I make myself lazy. I don't know why I have been keeping myself back. I no longer want to feel like this. Please guide me and give me clarity as to what I need to do. Thank you for listening.
Yes. Artemis, first thing, the earlier failures develop as a kind of a fear pattern in you. Fear about life only causes laziness. Complete with some of the earlier failure patterns, past failure patterns. You will get out of this lazy pattern. My blessings, you will be successful. I am with you. Blessings.
The next question is also from Alfred from San Jose. In addition to my first question, I just want to add that I have had a hard time when I make a plan and it doesn't come to fruition. It causes a sense of anxiety and panic in me. Do you have any insight in order to complete?
Again, the whole thing is just incompletion. Pick up your root incidents when the incompletion started building in you and complete. If you can, better try to come to inner awakening so that you will be able to complete with all your root patterns. Inner awakening will just transform you and get you out of this problem. And don't think, oh, I have this obstruction, I don't have time, I don't have money. Just decide, I'll make it happen. You will have money, you will have time, everything will happen. Come to the next inner awakening, you will get out of this problem. I commit with you.
The next question is from Amrita from San Jose. Dear Swamiji, how do I remove guilt? How do I live free of obligations, especially with regard to the help that people offered me when I needed it? They made me feel ashamed of my vulnerability.
See, first thing, anybody helps, at that moment they open their heart. After that moment they may become closed, demanding, expecting and all that. But at that moment, when they make the decision to help, they are God. So all help comes only from God. After the help, they might have lost that Godhood. So you don't have to feel guilty for that. And I also wanted to add one more thing. Same way, you should be grateful to their God's side. And many times, because you don't want to be grateful, you don't want to be responding to them with a love, you create this mess. So be very clear. When somebody is supported, at that moment they are God, it means they have the God side in them. And decide to respect, revere the God side in them.
The next question we have from Brian from the Ohio Prayak Center. In my current relationship, my partner was unfaithful. I have tried to accept it and let it go because I care so much for her. Sometimes as we are enjoying time together, it comes to my mind and I get a sickness in my stomach. How did I attract unfaithfulness into my relationship when it was something I never expected? The other question is, how can I let it go once and for all so this doesn't come back up constantly and destroy my relationship going forward and make me have hatred towards her?
Brian, first thing, look in and complete the constant doubt you carry about you. You might have given kind of an insecurity to her without even being aware. So complete inside you the doubt you have about you. You will become authentic being. You will give her that feeling of authentic security. You will simply be able to let go this past and create the new future for you and for her. My blessings.